On the other side of the railway line was this khokha, the kiosk selling tea. The speciality about this kiosk was that the owner chaiwala was very interesting and informative to talk to, and he always carried a warm welcome smile as one went there. This chaiwala could talk endlessly on any subject. One day, I got to talk to him on Karmaa and Bhagya. Listening to fate and skill, I thought, let's listen to his philosophy today. I asked him a question. What does he say about it? Whether a man gets ahead in life by hard work or by luck? He came up with an answer that cleared all doubts about it. The chaiwala said to me, "You would be having a bank locker, isn't it?" Well, yes, I said. To this he said that the keys to the locker are an answer to the question on what takes you ahead, hard work or fate. He further said that each locker has two keys, one with the owner of the locker and the other with the bank manager. The key that the customer owner has is the hard work, and the other with the bank is the luck, fate. The locker cannot be opened until both the keys are installed. You are a hard-working karma yogi and assume the bank manager is God. You should keep putting your keys because one does not know when would God put his key. You should not take a chance, and it should not happen that the God puts the key of his grace as destiny and we are not able to put the key of our hard work to open the lock.